Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be reviewing this product from Amazon called the ICEBREAKER. It is a great tool if you have children who do sports outdoors or any outdoor activities. You can just really take the ICEBREAKER with you outdoors. You can serve instantly and it's very mobile. So I think it's super cute, especially now that we've got summer coming on in here in Texas. Sometimes you just want to be able to take the ice outside with you, and this is a great way to do so. So here I am just opening the packaging. Again, it comes in different colors, but I got the clear water blue colored one. And so I'm just kind of opening it up to show you guys what it looks like on the outside, and then we'll fill it with some water. It only takes about 7 hours for the water to freeze over. And you can just, again, serve the ice directly to your guests if you're hosting at your house. And I think it's a very great way to really just make cute cocktails. Again, we've got summer here in Texas. Who wants to drink a hot drink? Serve the ice right out of this box yourself. All right. So next steps, I'm really just kind of opening the top part. That's where you're going to end up filling the water. And I'm going to go ahead and pull each side out so it pops out. And whenever you fill it with water, you're actually going to close it so that it can freeze with the device all the way flat. So that's it, fully opened. Just looking around there. And then now we're just gonna fill it with water. So I actually ended up filling it too high to start off. So in this next clip, you guys are gonna see me actually kind of dump some of the water out. That way it's not going over the line. It actually has a line that says max fill. So make sure whenever you are filling your ICEBREAKER, you don't overfill it, because then when it's freezing in the freezer, that can kind of affect water being a little bit higher and above on when you open it. So you don't want the ice disrupting how you're going to open the packaging. So this is the next day. Even though I said it takes 7 hours, I just went ahead and let it freeze overnight. And so I want you guys to hear how I'm breaking the ice down. So I just broke the ice down, that way it could be a little more flimsy, which is a great way to kind of loosen up the ice. Again, it was froze overnight, so we just want to break those ice pieces up. So again, you're going to kind of flip it over each side and just put it on a hard surface and break those off. Once you've got it open, you're going to pull the ICEBREAKER open, kind of how I did when I was showing you guys the tutorial of how to open it. You're going to pull both of those open on each side. And then next, you're just serving the ice. So I went ahead and grabbed one of my summer cups, and so I filled it with some of the ice, and I had a nice, refreshing Simply lemonade that I just poured over it. This is what the ice cubes look like inside once you've broken up the ice and they're able to be more separated. But it was a very super easy tool. Again, if I have a young son, so if I were to go outside and he needed some ice in his water bottle, what better way to do that than with the ICEBREAKER? So again, this link will be in my description box, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.